Hello friends, today we will see the story of bundle sticks. So once there lived a family at a village. There was one farmer and he had three sons. Three of them had a different talent, and but the problem was they were always fighting together and always keeps on arguing with each other. The farmer was worried about their future. The farmer was worried that how their sons will manage when I will not be present, I will not be alive. The farmer keeps on observing them daily, that how what issue they create when they are together, and what is the problem that cause arguments in them. So once the farmer met with his uncle, with his friends. The farmer was invited at his friend's home. The farmer went at his friend's home. The friend asked about how the work in the field is going on. The farmer said that I have to handle all alone, because whenever my three of sons are together, they keep on fighting and arguing with each other. The friend replied that I know, I assure that you will find the solution on it. Then the farmer lived at. Then the farmer took a goodbye from his friend, and on that day, the farmer keeps on thinking that what solution can we find out to solve this problem. Next morning, the farmer called three of them together. The farmer said that I have one announcement, that I have one announcement that after when I will not be present, who will handle the farm and who will harvest the farm. But three of them asked the question to father, that how did you how did this thought came into your mind this suddenly. The farmer replied that soon I have reached my age, then I will have to handle the whole farm to one of you who can handle it very nicely. Then the farmer said that I will assign you one task and you have to pass the test, and whoever had passed the test first will get the farm. Then farmer told three of them that bring that bundle of stick in front of me, and pick one stick from the bundle. The one of son took the bundle and opened the bundle and took one stick each. And then the farmer ordered them that whoever will break the stick first will pass the test. Then three of the son broke the stick into two parts nearly at same time. Then the farmer said that it was easy to break the stick alone. Bring the three bundles from the truck which is outside the house. Then they brought three bundles, and then the farmer ordered them to break the bundle, to break whole bundle of stick. But three of the sons could not break the bundle. Then the farmer said, "What do you understand from this? Was it easy to break that whole bundle at a time, or of a single stick?" Then the three of them replied that single stick was easy to break. Then what about the what about the three of you instead of that stick of bundle? Then the sons replied that if we are alone, we may get weak, and then after they could not answer. Then the farmer said that the bundle of stick was supporting each other and could not break that whole bundle. So you could not break that whole bundle. In the same way, when you three are together, you can support each other, and the work will come to an end soon in a productive way. Then they three of them that day that three of them were thinking deeply about what the father had given them lesson. So from that day, the three of them started living together without arguing, and supporting each other's talent and helping each other in everyday work and as well as in farm. So this is all about the story. Thank you.